Okay, junction box rewired.
Good work, Mr. Grayson. One more to go. Oh, the newlyweds send their regards, by the way. Miss Gordon Drake, I should say, was kind enough to send some pictures. The island retreat looks lovely.
Aw, my heart melts. Okay, Lucius, we're done.
Re-establishing power now.
Yes, the lights is on. Oh, I'm getting out of here, pretty boy. I can hear the welcome party as we speak.
Mr. Grayson, we have a problem. 2 choppers are dropping off reinforcements on the roof. I'll hold the elevator, but it won't take long for them to get him out.
I'll stop him. Oh, and while you're at it, cut the lights.
No!
So unless Eddie's informant was lying to me, the entrance to Riddler's robot factory is hidden in here. Keycards on the goons. Of course. Eddie's in prison and he's still wasting my time. Can't let him see me. Easy.
Everybody got their key cards?
Yeah, good. Don't lose them, because we have got it made. That put half the city in jail. Penguin's boys ain't getting paid. Two-Face's boys spent the night robbing banks and they ain't getting paid. But Riddler's boys?
We're getting paid.
You're damn right we are. God bless that Nigma and his electronic account system.
Makes me feel bad for all the times I cornered nerds in high school and made them eat their glasses. Well, he was gonna replace us with those robots.
Yeah, and look how that worked out for him. When Nigma gets out of jail, I think this pack of atavistic idiots ain't no longer gonna be facing our inevitable obsolescence. You know, the robots.
We could take care of the robots right now. Go downstairs and trigger Nigma's self-destruct mechanism.
His computer stuff's down there. We blow it up, no more pay. Jeez, Larry. Come on, you need to think tactically if you're gonna outwit the machines.
You think Catwoman's gonna come for Riddler after last night? I'd like to see her try. Little sneak will end up with another collar around her neck. I don't know, man. Two-Face messed with the cat, and he still got the scars.
This sure beats waiting for food drops in Arkham City.
So, are robots alive?
What?
Are robots alive? It's a simple question, dumbass.
No robots ain't alive. I think they're technically a type of zombie.
Oh. How'd Riddler get so much money anyway?
He played the stock market mostly.
Buy low, sell high, huh? Huh. Guy really is a genius.
Oh, no, sorry. He hacked the stock market. Said he was smart enough to do it legit. But geniuses don't have to prove themselves. So what exactly happened last night, guys?
That Arkham Knight guy? He was Joker all along.
No way.
It's true. Trust me.
This is the worst part, the waiting.
It's Catwoman! Lock the place down!
Can't let him see me. Easy.
Everybody got their key cards?
Yeah, good. Don't lose them, because we have got it made. That put half the city in jail. Penguin's boys ain't getting paid. Two-Face's boys spent the night robbing banks and they ain't getting paid. But Riddler's boys? We're getting paid.
You're damn right we are. God bless that Nigma and his electronic account system.
Makes me feel bad for all the times I cornered nerds in high school and made them eat their glasses. Well, he was gonna replace